Everybody, welcome back to another Classics or Better. I'm Travis, and today I got a nice treat for you guys. We're going to take a look at my friends Jim and Jennifer's 54 Bel Air. This thing is awesome. So the quick history on this 1954 Bel Air is that Jennifer's dad had actually tried to buy the car for years and years up in Oklahoma. When the original owner passed away, his widow actually sold the car to Jennifer's dad since he had been after it for so long. He drove it for a while and then eventually put it out in storage on his property. Fast forward to a few years ago when he gave it to Jim and Jennifer to enjoy and get it back out on the road. They got it fixed up and now they just take it out for family cruises, go out at car shows, stuff like that. It's got a few very small paint chips, but overall this thing's a cream puff. I mean, it's a real survivor, and most importantly, it's a driver. So this interior is just a straight blast from the past, y'all. It is all original, it's in excellent shape. I just love the amount of chrome and cool little design touches that they added to interiors back in the day. I mean, you can tell how low mileage this car really is. Since they knew the original owner, they know for sure that the car really only does have 33,114 miles, which is just wild for something that's 67 years old. So again, I mean, 33,114 miles. That is just nuts. Massive trunk with the original spare tire. This Bel Air actually features a 235 cubic inch inline six sporting a whole 136 horsepower paired with a 2-speed power glide transmission. Chevy actually nicknamed these old engines the Blue Flame back in the day, saying it had perfect combustion. They have had to do a few things like convert the 6-volt system to a 12-volt. Got a new radiator on there, and they had to replace the rear main seal, which is actually made out of a special rope type material in these old cars. Alright y'all, so welcome to the back roads of Texas and a 54 Bel Air. My awesome chauffeur Jim. Check it out. It's actually a really smooth ride back here, guys. Like, for as old as the suspension and everything technology, because this car is mostly original, it's great, honestly. Nice and cushy. It's pretty peppy for being an inline six.
Yes, the bad part is it's a 2-speed, and so if you're going slow, like rolling a stop sign,
yeah,
and you hit the gas, it goes,
just revs up on you.
Until it hits that gear, so they level it off until they go back down into gear. It's in between.
Ooh, yeah, you got some go. Well, part of the fun y'all can see back here, y'all, is no seat belts, so you just have an snap handle. But at least we can use our ashtray if we feel like burning the back seat down, so all good. Well, this is a first for Classics or Better, my friends. We ran out of gas on our little drive around, so we are now just chilling on the side of the road. It's all good. We'll get it figured out, but I just thought it was fun, so just know stuff happens to everybody. Crisis averted, y'all. So luckily Jennifer's aunt was close enough to pick us up real quick so I could go grab some gas, and we got back to our cruise without any further issues. Hey, thank you guys for watching another Classics or Better. As always, I greatly appreciate it, and for checking out my buddy's 54 Bel Air. Until the next time, y'all, take it easy.